Hello, back again with a quick update on the transit. I've made a little bit of progress, and I'll take you through what I've done so far. Bear with me for 1 second. Right, I'll just take you to the front. Okay, so I've welded this plate on and a little section in here just to attach this plate to the inner part of the wing. This part here in essence holds on the front bumper, and this was totally rotten, so that's done. Just need to put a little bit more primer on there and that'll be good. Moving on. Ooh. Right, okay, so all this part's new. The only part that was remaining was this small section in here, so I had to weld this to it and kind of bend it round to make up the inner sill. Move along. All this is all new. You can actually buy replacement inner sills for these. You have to actually make them up yourself, or you can buy kind of panels that have been pre-bent which you can use as inner sills. I just decided to buy some 1.2mm thick steel and make my own. So that's that. Also, I've trimmed this rear quarter to where it needs to be. So the replacement panel sits in there nicely now. So I'll set the camera down and quickly show you how it all fits on. Right, the first part of this set. Just put it round. Right. Quarter panel. Moving back round to the other part of the sill. And there you have it. Hasn't turned out too badly actually. So what I'll do is I'll start with the rear quarter panel first, get that properly aligned and tack weld that in place. Just putting a few dots around just to hold it in situ. Then I'll work my way forward. Tell a lie, I'll skip the middle and I'll do this step first, and that allows me to kind of orientate this to make sure it kind of matches up and it sits level. So again, tack all those on. Once I'm happy with overall fitment, I'll go around and in essence fill in the spot welds and just join the panels up, and that should be that. The other side is also prepped, so I've got the panels just over here, and they're ready to go on as well. So hopefully in a few days it'll all be on. I can just grind back the welds, put some filler on, and it should be good to send it off to get some paint. Once this is done, hopefully I can get this out, get the compact in, and start working on that. Right, so that's it for me. This was just a quick video just to give you an update on where I am with the Transit. Almost there, most of the hard work is done now, so it should be just a case of lining things up, tack welding it on, checking the fitment, finishing off the welding, and that should be that. So hopefully the next video will be the compact in here getting worked on, getting prepped for the next drift day. As always, thanks for watching. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more, hit subscribe. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.